If YouTube TV freezes during playback, whether the video stops, the screen locks, or nothing responds, you can fix it quickly by following a few simple steps. Here's how to get your stream working again. Start by closing the YouTube TV app completely. On smart TVs and streaming devices, use the back or home button to exit fully, then relaunch the app. If the app won't close, restart your device entirely. Next, check your internet connection. A frozen screen is often caused by weak or unstable Wi-Fi. Restart your router, move closer to your Wi-Fi source, or connect using Ethernet for a stronger signal. If the problem continues, clear the app cache. Apple TV. Reinstall the app. Once the cache is cleared, reopen the app and test a different channel. If only one channel freezes, the issue may be with the broadcaster. Update both your YouTube TV app and your device software. Outdated versions often freeze during playback. Finally, turn off VPNs. These can cause video freezing due to location conflicts. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.